Hi, Tracy. I am doing your webcast analysis as you requested and actually have good news. You're not too bad for where you're at. I did two searches for you: Canine Coaching, Ancaster, Ontario, and I also did Animal Communication, Ancaster, Ontario. And for the Animal Communication, you came in at number two, which is great. I mean, if somebody's looking for animal communication in your area, you are going to show up, as well as you will for canine coaching in Ancaster, Ontario. There is Shield Canine Dog Training came in at number one, and you came in at number four right here. So that's really awesome. I did not find a Google business profile for you, which would be over here in if there was more than one. It just looks like PetSmart is the only company that has a Google business profile set up. And I don't know what kind of traffic that is, but we'll take a look in just a minute. As far as your website goes, took a look, and I checked out these interlinks here, the interweb links, and they all worked well. You might want to turn these into links as well. Here's what it is. With the Trace of Insight as your business name, you might want to say more about what it is here. I know that's your name there, but for searches, you want that to be the main headline so that the search engines know what category to put you in. Okay. So, and I'll show you what I mean when we look at your metrics. Traceofinsight.net has a DR of 2.4 and a UR of 0.2. Now, this is good in that this is within 5 increments of each other, and search engines love that. And I think that's what's helping you to stay in the top 5 on the Google search engines for your category. You don't have very many backlinks. And in fact, your backlinks and your referring domains are the same. So I looked at them, and it was increased domain rating. And these are all pretty good. They have a pretty good strength. You know, there's not much to it, but it looks like it doesn't have to be, because nobody else is doing anything either. So your referring domain, you could probably put a few more up there and actually get ranked higher than the other 3, actually even better than the dog training. Let's look at your keywords, because you only have 2 that are showing up. Okay. And it's Animals Trace and Danielle McMillan School. Okay. And these search volumes are 20 and 30 a month. Really easy to rank for, and you're positioned at about 88 or 59. So you might be on the Google search a few pages down. I did the first. Well, no, you are on the Google search. I apologize. But I think that's because of this here, as opposed to the keyword stuff. Also, there's no traffic to speak of that comes from your website. That's okay. Let's look at dog training. Who are these? Shield Canine Dog Training. Okay, their headline says what it is, even though I don't know if it's the same thing as relationships. But for some reason, that came up a lot for the search of canine coaching. So dog training is another term for it. We will look at their metrics, and they aren't doing very much at all. This, I think, Shield Canine is .ca is a franchise that is nationwide, so this is higher than anybody else's in the dog training canine coaching realm, and so this right here is carrying them at number 1. Their keywords, let's take a look. Ancaster Doggy Daycare, Cutting Edge Canine, Dog Grooming, Ancaster. So it's the location that's coming up, and dog, the word dog, that has the reason they're up there. and they have these are all cumulative, just like your two are cumulative. These are two. This is all well and good. I think for what's going on, that's great. They also do not get anything from their website. So look at back at the Canine coaching. This here is the free Google business profile that you can put up, which if there was more than one, they would have see how this little map is instead of just an organic search. How it's usually set up for more competitive businesses is that there's a sponsored ad at the top. There are two or three of those, then a Google map pack, which is the Google business profiles, and then the organic search. That you're in the top four is good. You would want to beat one of these two. And we can take a look at Dogs Unlimited real quick. I just want to look at their I want to look at their metrics, okay? Just to, oh, I did it wrong. My apologies. Where are we at? Where are they? Here they are. So you can tell this is live because I'm messing it up right off the bat, but that's okay. Let's paste it and set it. Okay. Wow. It appears that there's not a whole lot going on. What's the keyword that they're ranking at number 3? You could beat these people easily. Ancaster Doggy Daycare, and they're at 81. I mean, your keywords, I believe. Let's look. Keywords. Where are you at? Right. What you would need is something with dog or canine to target, and that would just be a backlink from like a Facebook post that you posted saying, you link back to your website from Facebook saying something about canine communication or animal communication or something along those lines, and then link it back to your website, and it would be a backlink and it would create keywords. Other than that, you have basically animals, but not a lot about just dogs by themselves. And I know you offer way more than just dogs, but this is what a matter of getting to ranking at number 1, and you're doing well. My suggestion, okay, is start a business Google profile or Google business profile. It's free. It's easy. You just type in your information and ask for it. They'll do a verification of some sort. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will help you through that process. You put pictures up there. You put more things about animals and dogs, cats, whatever, all the things that you work with. And then you'll start ranking even higher because you'll also be on Google as far as they go. And they like it when you have a Google business profile. The people in your area are not doing much as far as SEO work, so it'll be easy to be number 1. You're already number 4, and you're number 1 at the animal communication, or number 2, excuse me. Sorry. It's number 2 is really as good as number 1. See, this is alignable. And look, you're right there on alignable. You're in 1 and 2. Wow, that's awesome. So good on you. So those are the kind of things that you're ranking for. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And you have a great day. And I know I will talk to you soon.